Noise reduction in an audio is like using a filter to remove unwanted background noise sound. Maybe while recording, somebody make noise or something fell, or maybe there is a shake in your table and you want to remove those white noise from your recording. Using noise reduction tool will help you to remove all those unwanted noise and normalize your video and make your video to be more clearer and easier to hear for your audience. So how do you do that? You click on your video, right click on audio here, scroll down, you can see reduce noise and you click on it. Automatically the noise has been reduced. You can see it here. So this way the noise from your video will no longer be there. And if you are using your mobile phone, to do that, you open up your CapCut and import the video you want to work on. So the next thing you are going to do is to click on this video right here and scroll to the right. Keep scrolling till you are able to find reduce noise. It's just right beside this bit. So once you find it, click on it and on this. So automatically you can see reducing noise. Automatically CapCut is going to remove any unwanted background noise and your video quality is going to remain perfect and clearer. So if you want to see more of these features, hit the subscribe button and hit that bell beside it so that you can receive notification whenever I have a new video.